Hello, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to talk about the SANS top 25 software errors. So let's get started. The SANS top 25 is the list of the most dangerous coding mistakes and common software errors that the software developers make. And this is one of the leading causes of security vulnerabilities. Let's take a look at these in detail. So these errors can be exploited by the attackers to compromise the systems and data in the real world. So SANS top 25 basically is a guideline to help the developers to recognize and avoid the common mistakes. The mistakes can be like buffer overflows, improper input data validation, and so the focus is always on prevention. We'll be talking about buffer overflows, improper input validation in the next module in detail with a little bit of hands-on. So right now we are looking at it conceptually or theoretically, but in the next modules, we'll also do some hands-on practicals. This list of SANS top 25 promotes secure coding practices to reduce the risk of introducing the vulnerabilities, and the SANS top 25 list is used by the developers and by the security team to strengthen the software security and prevent the attacks. It is an industry guidance tool. So now let us see how we can do a hands-on on the SANS top 25 software errors. So we'll open the browser and we'll go to Google and we'll search for SANS top 25 software errors. And we are going to select the very first one, that is sans.org, the top 25 most dangerous software errors. That's a catchy title in itself. And there you can see what are the errors that are included. It shows you the top 25 errors, listing them according to their critical levels. The first one is CWE 787, that is out of bound writes. What does that mean? You just have to click on that and you will get the details. If you want to know a little bit about cross-site scripting, you just have to click on CWE 79. If you want to know a little bit about SQL injections, you can click on CWE 89 and so on and so forth. So let us just click on CWE 79, and here it is displaying improper neutralization of input during the web page generation. So this is basically the error that is being shown over here, and what happens, what are the descriptions, that is the vulnerabilities occur when so and so conditions are met, and there are three types of reflected attacks, that is XSS attacks, reflected, stored and DOM based, and what are the impacts of each one, the scope, the impact, the potential mitigations, and the strategies that you can use to mitigate, and all the relevant information can be found in one single place. You can see how the XSS attacks are working and what coding practices we can use to prevent this from happening. So you can see that we have gathered all these details and now we are ready for the next video.